Hi everyone. So that last lesson we numbered the chords in the key of C. The 1 chord was a C, the 4 chord was the F major, the 5 chord was the G major, the 6 chord was the 6 minor was the A minor chord. We're going to play another song with those 4 chords, and we're going to do things a little different. I know last time we said that the left hand usually only plays bass notes, but that's not always true. So we're going to switch roles today. We're going to have the left hand play the chords, and the right hand is going to play the bass note. So the left hand is going to play quarter notes, and the right hand is going to play the bass notes as whole notes. But it's not really a bass note, it's up like 2 octaves almost. So the chord progression is going to be a 1, which is C. So the right hand would play the C note, and then it goes to the 5 chord, which is G. Pinky plays the G note, and then the A minor chord, which is your 6 minor. Pinky moves to the A note, and then the F chord, which is the 4 chord, and the right hand plays the F note, and those are the notes you need to know. So let's play the song, and after we play it, you're going to kind of say, those chords sound familiar. Okay, I'll call up the chords as we go. And by the way, this is John Denver's Take Me Home Country Roads, just the chorus. And originally it was in the key of A, but we transposed in the key of C because these are the chords we know. So here we go. I'm going to give you a little bit of drums with it too, just to make it a little more interesting. Okay, so remember the left hand plays quarter notes, right hand is going to play whole notes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Country road,
G,
take me home,
A minor,
to the place
F,
I belong,
C,
West Virginia,
G,
Mountain Mama,
F,
take me home,
C,
country roads. Okay, so a little different playing style. You incorporate that into your songs. Did you recognize the chords for that song as fitting another song that we've already done recently? How about Let It Be? When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Okay, so when you listen to music, start trying to get to hear the relationship between the chords. For instance, listen to the 1 to 5 chord change. Now listen to 1 to 4, which is okay, so practice Take Me Home Country Roads. Hope you're having fun with this and it's making sense. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.